While you're watching my videos, I'm making $300K a year from YouTube. So why aren't you? The truth is, you don't need to be a pro or spend a fortune to make serious money on this platform. All you need is a clickable thumbnail and high watch time. That's exactly what we've done for over 423 clients at Coswin Agency. Take a look at one of our clients. She didn't even know who Mr. Beast was, but now she has over 100K subscribers. What's stopping you? We handle everything: tracking trends in any niche, generating viral video ideas, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and optimizing every word in your script. We set up your entire online presence, edit your videos, and optimize every detail to make sure your content ranks at the top of search results. The key: monetization. We integrate your product, service, or any brand information into each video, ensuring you start selling online as soon as your content starts getting the very first views. And it's not just about selling products. You can also earn substantial revenue from Google AdSense, just like I do with my own channels. I made more money from my YouTube video reviewing the iPhone than the iPhone itself cost me. Yes, you heard that right. That proves your voice and opinion deserve to be heard, and you will get paid for it. Our clients have seen results with just a few videos, and many have hit their goals faster than they ever imagined. The best in the business trust us, and now it's your turn to experience the same success. Click the link, fill out a quick brief, and book a free demo session where we'll map out the first steps for building your successful YouTube channel right away.